Alright y'all, I wanted to try vegan sushi in my area and I found NoW Sushi. I brought a friend and we decided to try it out. It's his first time being in one of my videos, so he was a little nervous, but he got into it. Here we go. Okay, first impressions of the little sushi place. I wouldn't say it's the easiest to find. Parking's a little situational, but made it and I'm excited.
Alright, so this is the Maddie with the salmon on the top.
Okay, the one with the salmon on the top.
We have the Sunny Fire, which is the one with the
one with all the extra stuff.
And then that is the Rocky.
Okay, so this salmon situation, that's not real salmon. What is it?
It's made out of Japanese root.
Made out of Japanese root. And then it's just colored to give you that salmon-like feel.
And then it kind of has that root flavor.
Okay. Disclaimer, I'm not good at this. Should I do a whole video on chopstick etiquette? Yes or no? I'm nervous.
Just
I'm
grab
not
it.
On camera.
Thoughts?
This not be real fish?
What you mean?
It's not real.
She said it's not even real. What does that even mean?
She said it's a Japanese root that has a salmon-like texture.
You talking about that little hair on it?
This was supposed to be salmon. It's not real salmon.
Get out of here.
Who knew? Who knew? I don't have any words. Oh, let me give it a SistaGirlTuesday. Poppin'. Okay, I just tried whatever this is. And
Not as good as the Rocky though, right?
yeah, this should have been the one that you start with, not the one that you end with. So let me try the little jalapeno joint. Okay, this is the one that has jalapeno and avocado, spicy mayo. Okay, that Rocky is kind of fire.
Did you feel it?
No, I enjoyed it. Honestly,
No, they all taste good, but
I really like that.
I think the Rocky is the best one.
yeah, I'm so glad that you suggested this, and now I can see why it's so popular. So good.
Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you for giving us a recommendation. And that's a wrap. So before you go, you already know. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.